Thanks for calling. This is Ryan. How can I help you?
Hey Ryan, this is Everett calling with marketing. How are you today?
Hi, good. How are you doing?
Doing good. We wanted to buy your shop lunch if you were open to letting us show you what we do and how it can help your shop increase your business. You can increase your call count by 10 or more per month. It's risk-free for 60 days. Would you be open to a quick Zoom call with my managers and we'll get you a shop a $50 DoorDash card for participating sometime this week or next?
What kind of business do you do again?
We do marketing for import repair shops specifically. We help you get to the top of online Google searches.
Okay.
Risk-free, 60-day guarantee. Like I said, if we don't increase your car count, you don't pay anything basically. So it's a guarantee for you. And we will buy your shop a $50 DoorDash card for participating. Would you be available maybe on Thursday?
Sure. Let me take a look at my schedule here real quick. Give me 1 second.
No problem. I have anything from 11 a.m. up until 4:30 on Thursday. If that works for you.
Okay. Thursday. I could probably do the afternoon, or like later afternoon, probably like 2, 3 o'clock.
Yep. At 3 p.m.?
Yeah, 3 o'clock.
What is a good email for you?
Sure. My email is @.com.
.com. And Ryan spelled R-Y-A-N, right?
Correct.
Let me just ask you, what 3 towns or cities do you currently get customers from now?
The top 3 towns?
Yeah. Yeah, primarily.
I would say as far as...
Okay.
Yeah.
And just one more question I got for you. And what brands of cars do you primarily prefer to service?
All German,
All
primarily.
German.
Yeah.
Awesome.
European, but mostly German.
Okay. And this is the best phone number for you?
Yeah. This one or my cell phone number, if you want to take that.
Sure.
Well,
okay. Yep, so my manager's name is... He'll reach out to you. It'll be a Zoom call. You'll get a link in your email. You don't have to be on video or anything. And I scheduled you down for January 16th at 3 p.m. Central Time.
Okay.
What is your last name, Ryan? I just have a... All right, appreciate that. I look forward to speaking to you. Have a great day.
All right, and what's the name of your company, you said?
I'll give you a website. Hold on 1 second. I'll give you a link if you want to check us out. It's .com.
Got it.
All right, appreciate it, Ryan.
Thank you.
Have a good day. All right.
Bye now.